Here's a pair of the Soundcore Life Q20 Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to factory reset these if you have issues pairing or connecting, maybe one side's not working or one side has lower volume than the other, and so on. Now take note to factory reset these. These are the Soundcore Q20. These are the upgraded ones. This is not the older version, the previous version ones, okay? The previous version ones, to factory reset those, you need to use your charging cable, plug it in, plug one into the wall adapter or a computer or whatnot, give it power, and you'll see a red light here while it's plugged in. Then all you got to do is press and hold the power button here and the volume up. Press and hold for like 6 or 7 seconds till the light here becomes solid. Then just let go, unplug it, and then turn it off. Press and hold the power button 3 seconds, turn it off, then press and hold again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. And then it should be factory reset and you should be in pairing mode where it'll be blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, however, these upgraded ones, it's a lot easier. You don't need to plug it in, anything, okay? So the first thing is make sure these are turned on, okay? So I have these turned on and they're currently connected to my iPhone here. You can see Soundcore Life right there. You can see it's currently connected. These are on, okay? So make sure the headphones are on and then we're gonna factory reset these. Power button, volume up, same thing here, okay? Ready, set, go. Press and hold for like 6 seconds or so and wait till you see the light blinking red right there 3 times. Now let go. Okay, you saw the light blinking 3 times red. Now let go. Now just wait, it's resetting now. And then once it's done, it's going to be blinking blue where it puts it in the pairing mode. Okay, so I'm back in the pairing mode. Okay, now remember, I was connected over here to my iPhone before. Now it's back in the pairing mode. The thing is, because it was on my Bluetooth pairing list, I'm not going to be able to connect back to it. So what I have to do is click on the letter I here, and I have to forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it would be like unpair. If you're on a TV, it might be remove or delete from the pairing list, okay? So I need to tap on forget this device because if I just go ahead and try to connect back to it, it's going to tell me to forget it anyway. Okay, so forget device. Now it's gone, okay? Now if I scroll down here under other devices, I see a little spinny thing. It's searching for devices in pairing mode that's near me. These are in pairing mode. It's blinking blue, blue, blue. Okay, but I think I need to rescan here because I took too long. So let me just turn off Bluetooth. I'm going to turn it back on to rescan. And now I'm going to slide down. And what do you know? Now we can go ahead and connect back to the same device if you want. So there you go. Pretty simple.